Welcome everyone. This week's Parshas Ki Teitzei. Every Friday we learn a little bit from my holy ancestor, the Maharal Prague. In the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 22, verse 7, it says, Shalech teshalech sa'im, sabonim tikach loch, l'man yitav loch, v'rachta yomim. That you should send away the mother bird, and you can take the children for yourself, in order that it should be good for you, and you should have long days. Rashi says in Timsa, in mitzvah kalash ein b'chesron kis amritar l'man yitav lach v'rachta yomim kal v'chomer l'matin scharin shel mitzvahs chamuras. Rashi quotes the Gemara, the Talmud, and Chulin, Kufim Beis Amud Aleph, 142a, that if it's such an easy mitzvah with relatively no monetary loss, the Torah says it should be good for you and you'll have long days, all the more so was the reward for the more difficult commandments. The Heilige Zayda Maharal says, if this was not the case, why is the reward mentioned here for this commandment when we don't see the reward for all the other commandments that are in the world? Other commandments in the Bible doesn't say what the reward is right next to it. And that's why it's written here that you should learn an a fortiori argument, that all the more so that it teaches a lesson for the more strict commandments, more difficult commandments, of how great is the reward for the commandments. Let's all be worthy to do the commandments and receive God's reward. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.